Struggling to track your fitness with an underpowered, sluggish smartwatch that constantly drops its connection, blinds you under direct sunlight, or dies right in the middle of a heavy training session is an absolute nightmare that completely disrupts your daily momentum. Relying on basic trackers traps you with clunky touch submenus and generic health metrics that offer zero actionable insights into your recovery. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic 2025 46mm Bluetooth smartwatch completely rescues you from touchscreen lag and fitness guesswork, functioning as a high-velocity, wrist-based wellness workstation engineered to deliver elite health coaching and timeless athletic luxury. Don't let its elegant, traditional look fool you. Beneath that premium stainless steel chassis lies a brutal performance engine driven by the cutting-edge 3nm Exynos W1000 processor and an expanded 64GB storage matrix. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is the iconic, mechanical rotating bezel paired with the newly introduced quick button and cushion design. This physical layout grants you immediate, tactile navigation control over your interface, allowing you to instantly cycle through apps or launch your workouts even with sweaty hands or while wearing gloves, completely bypassing the frustrating mistouches that plague standard touch-only screens. Engineered to revolutionize your daily vitality and athletic output, the Watch 8 Classic introduces a breathtaking 1.47-inch Super AMOLED display pushing an ultra-bright 3000 nits of peak brightness for perfect outdoor legibility under the blinding sun. Backed by advanced Galaxy AI algorithms running natively on Wear OS 6, it analyzes your cumulative sleep quality, daily physical activity, and heart rate variability to deliver a personalized morning energy score, telling you exactly when to push for a personal record or when to prioritize rest. The integrated running coach system acts as a live, real-time pacing assistant on your wrist to optimize your stride and cardiovascular efficiency across 5 Burmese trots or full marathons, while specialized advanced sleep coaching tracks blood oxygen levels and provides FDA-authorized sleep apnea detection to secure your overnight recovery. Complete with a dual-frequency L1 plus L5 GPS system for pinpoint route tracking among dense city buildings, automatic workout detection for over 90 distinct exercises, and a robust US-backed 2-year warranty for uncompromised peace of mind. It is the ultimate, stress-free wearable upgrade for tech enthusiasts, daily runners, and active professionals who demand peak physical data precision and elite executive style. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are strapping on this 46mm Black Watch 8 Classic to completely optimize your daily running pacing or to master your sleep recovery patterns. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more smart wearable showcases, fitness tech reviews, and premium gear breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.